Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a quick and easy half up, half down style. And I'm starting off with freshly washed hair parted into two. I know that part ain't straight, but don't judge. So first thing, I'm just going to put the back of my hair away and I'm going to start working on the top portion of my hair. Next, I'm gonna go in with some Shine and Jam. I prefer to use this over gel just because it does not have the flaking, and if you add more on top of what you've already put, it's not going to look dirty. It's not going to, give that gray cast. So this is why I prefer to use Shine Jam. So if you're like me and you have not straightened your hair prior to this style, I only blow dried, I did not straighten it. You're gonna wanna make sure you use enough product that you can really get a nice slick bun. So use a hard brush, use enough product, and really slick that ponytail. So when you feel like it's to your liking, it's nice, it's slick, go ahead and start working on the back. So what you're seeing me do here is just having creating a little bit of leave out and then putting the back into a ponytail and a braid. However, you'll see in the next clip that I changed my mind about this and I ended up braiding down the back of my hair because I felt like this would have been the better way to go. So yeah, and don't judge my braids, y'all. It's in the back of my head and I can't see. The hair that I'm using, I purchased from Gilgal Beauty or Gilgal Beauty in LaSalle. It's this Sensational Instant Up and Down. I have mine in a color 1. The package comes with this half wig, which has 4 combs, 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top, and 2 at the sides. It also has a drawstring so you can adjust it. It also comes with a wrap pony. The ponytail has 2 combs as well, 1 on the side and 1 in the center. They also give you that extra hair on the side to use for the wrap, so you don't have to create it yourself. And there's a bit of an elastic there for adjustments. So first, what you want to do is adjust the drawstring to your liking and go ahead and attach the half wig by inserting the combs into your braids, secure them, and I just went ahead and tucked the elastic up underneath the wig. And voila, instant inches. So I'm just adjusting my leave out and combing it into the half wig. However, to be honest, guys, I got rid of the leave out. I braided it down, readjusted and repositioned the half wig, and I called it a day because the ponytail is long enough to cover the line from the wig. So it's really unnecessary. You honestly don't need it. So you can skip that step. Now you want to go ahead and attach your ponytail. I ended up undoing the bun portion of my natural hair and I let the hair hang. However, it was a little bit too puffy. I didn't straighten my hair as I mentioned before, so it did not blend smoothly with the ponytail, so I did ended up pinning it back down into a bun afterwards anyway. So while wrapping, just to mention, you guys will want to use bobby pins just to secure the ponytail. And as you can see, I just went ahead and sprayed a little bit of Got to Be on the end of the wrap portion just to help it stick. And now you just want to take your time and make any adjustments that you need to make, secure the ponytail, and then you're all done. Okay guys, so here is the final look, and I just wanted to come back and give you guys my thoughts. So first of all, I just want to make sure I let you guys know, if you couldn't already tell, this hair is not human hair. It is a blend. They say that it's heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. But yeah, it's not human hair, it is synthetic, it's a blend. So from this, there are 4 different styles that you could do. I decided to go ahead and do the half up, half down look, and I really like how it turned out. I think this is my first time doing this style actually, or at least the first time in a really long time. So one thing I want to point out is I do find that the bump on the ponytail is a little bit high, but I guess that's just for me to find a better way to do my ponytail or my bun underneath. The half wig section is a little, I won't say a little weird, but it's a half wig, so technically it should be on like about here, so it's made for that size. You will have noticed that I did in the beginning I was gonna just put the back of my hair in a ponytail and clip it on that way. In the end, I decided to throw in some braids just so that the combs have a little more snug feel or a little more security. And then I did pull the drawstring just a little bit. You don't want to pull it too tight because it will really it will squeeze your head. So don't pull it too tight, just pull it to where you're comfortable. You will feel in the back like there's a bit of space, like it might feel like it's bunching up, but I really don't think it's noticeable. You guys will have to tell me. You guys will have to let me know because clearly I can't see the back of my head, but I feel like it's a cute look. It's very easy, it's quick. You want to just change up your style, you know, get a pack like this. It's not expensive, and you can get quite a few looks out of it. Again, it's synthetic, or it's that blended hair, so it won't last you forever. It won't last you years and years, but you can get a few good wears out of it, I think. So they did have a few different textures in the store, but I went for this one because I find it's a little more on the kinky side, a kinky straight side, so it would blend with my natural hair a lot more than the other textures, which were a little bit silkier, and then there was a really curly one. But I wanted to go ahead and try this style out first. So do I recommend? Yes, I would recommend if you just want something quick, something to change up your look really fast. You know, if you don't expect a long-term commitment from this hair, then definitely I recommend. I don't remember what the color range was or what they had available in the store, but you guys can definitely go ahead and check them out, and they will give you all the details. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know down below how you feel about this look. Let me know if you would try it, or if you have done this kind of style already. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, bye guys.